BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. Okay, so we're comparing the Nexgrill Fortress 2-burner, B0CXJMJ9FF, and the Weber Q2000, B00FDOON9W. First impression, the Nexgrill is available, but the Weber, it's currently unavailable, which is a bummer.
Yeah, that's a big difference right off the bat. Assuming they were both available, what's the grilling area like?
The Nexgrill has 263 square inches, and the Weber has slightly more at 280 square inches. So not a huge difference, but Weber gives you a little extra space.
Okay, good to know. And what about power? I like a good sear.
The Nexgrill cranks out 13,500 BTUs with its 2 burners, while the Weber has a single burner pushing 12,000 BTUs. So the Nexgrill might heat up faster and get a bit hotter overall.
Interesting. But is that extra BTU power worth it? What about size and weight? I'm thinking about portability.
The Nexgrill is definitely lighter at 28.7 pounds compared to the Weber's 42 pounds. Dimensions-wise, the Nexgrill is more compact, making it easier to lug around for camping or tailgating.
Portability is key for me. What about build quality and features?
The Nexgrill boasts cast iron cooking grids and a cast aluminum lid, plus it converts to a griddle. The Weber has porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum lid and body. Both seem pretty durable. The Weber has folding side tables, which is handy, and a push-button ignition.
Folding side tables are nice, and I need a reliable ignition.
The Nexgrill also has easy lift handles and a removable grease tray, which simplifies cleanup. It also has a built-in temp gauge.
Cleanup is crucial. All right, what about price?
The Nexgrill is listed at $179.74, and the Weber, well, since it's unavailable, there's no current price.
Right, so if both were available, the Nexgrill seems to offer a bit more power, a griddle option is lighter and cheaper, but maybe the Weber has a slight edge in build quality and offers side tables. It's a tough call.
Yeah, it really depends on your priorities. If portability and price are key, the Nexgrill seems like a good bet. If you prefer a slightly larger cooking area and folding side tables, and can find the Weber in stock, it might be worth considering. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.